Look at that line. These kids getting younger or we getting older?
A little of both.
We used to be like them.
Yeah. Born to bop. That was us.
Remember in the academy, not right before graduation?
We were so hungover that I thought I was going to barf right in the mayor's lap.
Oh, jeez. It's about our first collar.
Cha-cha all night and then straight to the courthouse in the morning.
You were wearing my personal favorite, you know.
Oh.
Red dress, no back.
Thought they were going to, like, run me in for soliciting.
Pretty wild.
We had good times.
We're having good times. Tell me something, Emily. We in love?
We are in lust. See those two? Just like my stool pigeon told me. It's going down.
Where's our backup? Well, you didn't let him know? You didn't call for backup? Please, please, Emily. I hate this rogue shit. Let's call
Nick,
for backup.
if I may, this is not rogue. We just happened to be at the scene.
Who the hell's gonna believe that kind of action? A National Enquirer?
Please, freeze.
I'll take your little friend.
Assume the position.
Spread 'em.
Nick! You want it?
We got a scoop and run here. Respiration 32. Blood pressure 90/60. Heart rate 135.
He's gonna make it right? I said he's gonna make it right!
Not if you keep coming at me. He's not.
I'm sorry!
Fine.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Ariel, stop reading. It's time for evening prayers.
Shir Hamalois.
Excuse me, Commissioner? He's just gone up to the operating room now. Thanks.
Make no other time, Detective Eden. I'm relieving you of your weapon, IAD, in the morning.
I shot the perp. Why should I have to face those headhunters?
Because you used your weapon again. Emily, why didn't you call for backup?
Because we thought we could handle it ourselves.
No, you thought you could handle it by yourself. We've got 27,300 police officers in this city. Isn't there anybody you trust? What are you trying to prove?
Ma toiv yoylech Yaakov, Mishkanayzech Israel.
I want to see him.
He's gonna make it.
What's new and exciting?
I'm not dead. You really are some cowboy.
Yeah. The Lemony Jane.
Perps?
We got him.
Again. If the Rebbe finds out.
Who's going to tell?
You shouldn't learn Kabbalah. Mysticism can shorten your life.
On the other hand, it can lengthen your life.
The rabbis say that we shouldn't study Kabbalah until the age of 40. And besides, only the most brilliant students can understand it. Only the brightest can ever hope to understand its mysteries. I'll never reach that level.
Yaakov, you're fine. You're bright. You can study anything, anytime.
Maybe. I'm not so sure. I think I'm better off where I am. I need your advice.
The answer is yes, you should.
Yes, I should what?
Marry her. She's a fine girl. You'll be very happy. What is it?
It's nothing. It's nothing.
You're sure you don't have the look of nothing on your face? You have the look of something.
No, it's nothing. I should marry her, shouldn't I? You know what Mara told me? She said that not only is she going to be a wonderful wife, but she's also going to be my best friend.
Yaakov, listen. Would you like to hear something wonderful? God counts the tears of women.
What's it mean?
I'm not sure. Actually, I just came across it in Kabbalah.
Hello?
Internal Affairs says you're spick and span. Deadly force was called for under the circumstances.
Gee willikers, what a surprise. Think maybe it's because Nick's in the hospital?
I think you need some R&R.
I need to work.
It's not your fault.
What do you got? Please. guy disappears on his family? What, are you kidding me?
It's work.
I'm afraid the Rebbe has a very busy schedule today. You're the policeman?
Police person.
Person?
Never mind, policeman.
Come with me, please. This way. Wait here, please.
Hi.
Entschuldig, Bier.
Sehr gut. Sehr.
Hi, I'm Detective Eden. I've been assigned to the Klausman. Yakov Klausman was reported as a missing person. Do these guys understand what I'm saying?
The Rebbe speaks 8 languages.
Is English one of them? Okay. You know, most cases where kids disappear, we're talking some kind of shit going on. I know, I apologize. I'm really not as stupid as I act.
Relax. You're a very tense person.
Which one of you is immediate family? Are you the immediate family?
I'm Yakov's father.
Okay, good. Maybe there's some place that we could go and talk.
No. My Rebbe has to be here.
So you're all like a family.
In a manner of speaking.
Thank you. Okay, your son disappeared 2 nights ago? Did you fight with him?
No.
Your wife, maybe? Anything like this ever happened before?
Of course not.
Has Yakov exhibited signs of strange behavior lately, maybe? You know, being depressed, uncommunicative, staying alone in his room?
No.
Is anything missing? Money? Jewelry?
Diamonds are missing, yes.
How much are we talking here?
Wholesale, about $720,000.
Well, look, I hate to say this, but I mean, if we're talking diamonds, we could be looking at a felony here. I mean, maybe your son ripped you off. I've seen it 100 times.
In your world, perhaps, not in ours.
Are you in charge here?
The Almighty is in charge.
Mr. Klausman, when was the last time that you saw your son?
Tuesday night. Right before Yakov went to say Ma'ariv.
Ma'ariv, that's the evening prayer. I should also tell you that I'm Yakov's best friend and probably the last person to see him before he disappeared.
Well, then you and I are going to have a little talk.
You will pardon me, but I have people waiting to see me. No. You stay.
Would you excuse us?
It wouldn't be proper us alone in a room together.
Why, you planning on jumping my bones?
It's a question of modesty, proper behavior.
I was just kidding. I was kidding.
Yes, of course.
I got it, okay? There we go. All right. Speak to me of Yakov Klausman.
Bleib da so hin.
Shalom Aleichem.
Aleichem shalom.
Aleichem shalom. That's all the transactions for the past year, to the public.
What do you mean?
On the street, among ourselves, we do all business with a handshake.
No written contracts?
It's a business based on honor and trust.
Huh. What exactly does Yakov do?
Yakov cuts the stones. He's fallen behind in his work, what with his wedding and all.
Oh. What do you call those?
These?
Yeah, those.
Payas.
Payas? Why do you wear them?
It's in the Torah, the Bible. It's a law. You're not supposed to shave there.
How come?
Well, the Torah doesn't give us a reason, but the rabbis teach us that in ancient times, idol worshippers used to cut their hair in that area as part of their cult. We are forbidden to imitate them.
Oh, yeah, well, whatever. Shave, change of wardrobe, and Yakov's got himself a whole new life.
We already told you.
Yeah, I know what you told me, but I got experience, okay? I know human nature.
You will pardon me, but you do not know our nature.
With all due respect, sir, inside every honest man, there is a thief trying to get out.
You're positive.
When you've seen what I've seen in this life, okay? When you came here, was the alarm on or off?
Off.
Is that typical?
No, not at all. We keep it on all the time. When somebody comes, we switch it off to let them in, then we turn it right back on.
So Yakov turned off the alarm because he knew who was coming up here.
Yes, I suppose.
And no one you've talked to saw Yakov leave?
No one.
Yeah, well, nobody just vanishes. Especially if they're hauling a girl's best friend. Then again, maybe he never even left the building. I think it would be better to take Mr. and Mrs. Klausman out of here.
bisschen sightseeing.
Diane Horns.
Yaakov ben Moisha is a horgig, a kodosh. We call base Yisrael Yivke. Lomar alles ogen Kaddish. Yiskadal, Yiskadash, Shemei Avo.
Visitor.
What's new and exciting?
Your detective has been questioning me, and everything he asks, it seems he's making implications about Yakov, things which are just not possible.
Huh. Well, you got any ideas? Any new information, maybe?
No.
So you want to know what I see?
Certainly.
Yakov knew his killer. Yakov let the killer in.
It's impossible.
Why?
Yakov would only let in someone he knew. Yakov only knows Hasidim. We don't kill each other. We don't kill anybody.
Yeah, well, there's a first time for everything.
You're wrong.
Don't say that. You wouldn't believe the things that I've seen.
So you keep telling us.
You don't trust a female cop, do you?
Actually, the Kabbalah says that women are on a higher...
What?
Kabbalah. Jewish mysticism, it's very intricate, very esoteric. It concerns itself with creation, transmigration, meditation.
I bet it's from California, right?
Oh, no, it's wisdom from before the beginning of time. Most of us don't study it because it presents great difficulty in certain areas.
Point?
Yes, I'm sorry. Anyway, the Kabbalah says that women are on a higher spiritual plane than men. Therefore, it would be foolish of me not to trust you.
So you think this spiritual stuff is like required experience to catch a killer?
Well, a higher spiritual plane implies sensitivity, which must be very important for a detective.
Yeah. Yeah, we positively cultivate it.
What I really wanted to tell you. Yakov was a special person. He helped people. People who came to us because they felt lost in the world, overwhelmed. He had patience and trust. Yakov was my friend. We were practically brought up together.
Do you like, chocolate eclair? I mean, I think that's what it is.
No, I can't. It's not kosher.
Go ahead, cheat a little. I won't tell. What, you never break the rules?
Of course not.
Never, ever?
No.
Wow. You guys got a lot of rules?
Actually, there are 613 rules or commandments. 248 positive commandments and 365 negative ones.
No shit. Guess you're not used to a woman like me, huh?
Is anybody?
Let me give you a ride.
No, really, it's okay.
What, we can't be alone?
Right? A rule? Well, how about this? We roll the car windows down, right? And that way all of Brooklyn will see us, and so then we won't be alone.
You know, Detective Eden, you have a fine mind. Not many people would have picked up on the subtle logic of the situation.
Like my mind, huh?
Yes, it's very impressive. What?
Nothing.
What is it?
I like your mind, too.
Thank you.
I need to live here among you. Somebody that you know, somebody who you trust, is Yakov's killer. The only way that I'm going to catch this person is if I'm as close to you as he is.
An unusual request.
How many of you work in the Diamond District?
Many, many.
Well, if they can get to one of you, then they can get to all of you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
So, we are in danger.
Every single one of you. This murder, it reeks inside job. Inside job? Someone familiar with Yakov's every move. Someone very close to him. Someone who knew that he was going to work. Someone who Yakov trusted and let into the office.
Was denkt die Ariel?
Sie ist gerecht.
Leia?
Sie sagt nicht, dass es ist eine Finitz. Sie sagt, es ist eine Wegkennitz.
Wat kanoi? Das ist eine große Nachgewinnen. Gut, mein Kind.
Excuse me.
Oh, please, we are being very rude. Listen to me very carefully. While you are with us, you must respect our customs. My daughter will assist you. And my son.
Leia, let me take that suitcase.
No, I can manage.
Is my outfit okay? My hair?
It's very becoming.
But I mean, like on the Hasidic scale of sexiness, how do I rate? Come on, you can be brutally honest with me. I can take it.
Detective Eden, I want you to know something. We are not quaint or exotic. We are not cute little characters.
You are.
What?
Cute.
Please don't say things like that to me.
It's not proper.
Please don't look at me like that.
Like what?
You know.
Sorry.
Emily, we have to pay our respects at the Klausmans. Come with us?
Unser Herr zu sein mit dir, Bella. It'll be all right, David. Outside, my friend. Mara, Yakov loved you very much. We all do.
It's not right. It's just not right.
The mirrors are covered. Because you're not supposed to be concerned with vanity when you're in mourning. And the rip in the cloth also shows that you're not concerned with looking attractive. And not wearing shoes is because in ancient times, leather shoes were a sign of wealth. And when somebody dies, Emily, we're no longer wealthy.
Wow.
What?
I don't know. You people, you really care about each other.
Of course. all you have to say is your balchuva.
Balchuva.
Good. It means one who has returned. After that, no more questions.
Huh. Do you get a lot of these returnees?
People look for spiritual nourishment. They come, they go. It's not so easy being Hasidic if you're not born into it.
Leah, can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
What is it, the Rebbe?
The Rebbe?
Is that like a rabbi?
It's more than a rabbi. A Hasidic Rebbe is a great presence.
It's kind of old to be your father, isn't he?
The Rebbe adopted us. Our parents were killed in a car accident.
What about the Rebbe's family?
His wife and children died in the camps.
Camps?
The Rebbe was at Auschwitz.
Can't believe what I said to him.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why did you become a police
Person?
person?
My old man was a cop.
So you had no choice.
Leah, I do what I want to, when I want to. I am an independent woman, okay? Spectacularly happy, I might add.
Of course.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Leah?
A wife, a mother.
That's it?
But Emily, what could be more important?
War.
I gotta tell you, I'm getting really sick of this game.
How's the Diamond Gate?
It's different.
They like weird?
No, they're not weird. They're nice people. Shit. They're very nice people. I don't know, they got a lot of rules. You know those fringes that the men wear at the bottom? They're called tzitzit. Now pay attention, this is important. This is from the Kabbalah. It's very mystical. It's numerology. Ariel told me all this stuff.
Who?
Ariel, he's the Rebbe's son.
No kidding.
Oh, come on. I'm like this untouchable shiksa, okay? Come on. Come on. Anyway, this numerology thing. Now, every letter in the Hebrew alphabet has a numerical equivalent. And the word tzitzit comes out to 600, but with all the knots in them, it comes out to 613. It's very cool shit. I mean, stuff. War.
What about the duels?
Inside, definitely.
My contact with Hasids.
Hasidim. One Hasid, many Hasidim.
Excuse me. What little contact I've had, they're not doers.
I know it. So you got any suggestions? I mean, this isn't exactly an exciting lifestyle that I'm living. I look like an ad for Laura Ashley.
It's funny, we've been together on and off for, what, 4 years?
Whole time I never even knew what color your hair was. You look,
What?
Radiant. You look radiant, Emily.
Carol, between Sheridan and Sherman. So who's running the thing out of the day?
I don't know. It's over here.
Can I help you?
What's new and exciting?
Holy smoke.
I thought you were like a
what? Come on, Martin.
lady.
You still got a great ass, Eden.
I need a contact.
One of the Jewish cops. What about you, Levine?
Oh, yeah, I'm Jewish. You know what that means? I eat bagels on Sunday mornings. Besides, those people, they're a freaking embarrassment.
Jewish anti-Semite. That's very nice, Levine. This is my case, Lou.
Okay. Levine rides shotgun.
Why not Martin?
Nothing personal, Eden. Just I got a wife, kids. You're a cowboy. I don't want to hurt your feelings, but...
That's okay.
Face it, Eden, we're destined for each other.
In your dreams. I've done my time with enough cold-blooded bastards, okay? I'm not looking for another one.
It's too late. I'm already here.
Hey, enough of this, you two. We're supposed to be professionals here. We gonna bicker or do some police work? Okay.
I think you look rather nice, Emily.
Thanks, Tedford.
I think you look cherry.
Now, Why doesn't that sound like a compliment?
Hey, you know what I heard about how they do it? They do it through a sheet.
A sheet? Come on.
They're so uptight about sex. They make a hole in a sheet and stuff away.
I'll get back to you on that one.
Breakfast.
You ready?
I'm ready.
See you daigam koidish. Baruch ato Adonai Eloheinu, malech haolam hamoitze lechem min haaretz.
Mara! Mara! It's here.
Ariel, who's the new lady who's joined us?
Alchuva.
Madonna? Is that Madonna?
Who?
You know, like a virgin.
listen to rabbinic lectures. That way my time isn't wasted.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie, okie dokie.
Emily, what are you doing? What's going on?
Listen, Mara. I have to trust you with something. I'm not who you think I am. I'm a cop. And I'm trying to nail the people that killed Yakov.
Oh, God. Thank God. Somebody's gonna do something.
You have to keep this quiet. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, swear to me.
We're not allowed to swear.
Well, what are you allowed to do?
Promise. I can make you a solemn promise.
Okay, sounds good.
Emily, who are you looking for?
Serious scumbags.
Serious scumbags. Emily, no!
Okay, now why?
Well, when we were a desert tribe.
I want you to introduce me to as many people as possible.
Yes, of course.
What do I do if they start talking Jewish to me?
This is my friend Emily.
Hello.
Batshuva.
They study all day?
Yes. Yes, sir. So we bring them their lunch.
Ariel. I'll get it.
Emily, this is Mendel.
Rabbi's beautiful daughter. How you doing, kid?
Fine, thank you.
Who's she?
This is Emily.
Listen, it's an anniversary. Me and my girl want to get her something nice, okay? Something very special. Something like, I don't know. Maybe you could suggest something to me.
A watch? That's a nice gift. In fact, my brother's just finished restoring a beautiful one. It's very special.
Hey, yo, Ariel!
Ariel, the Patek Philippe you just finished. Thank you.
That was some mess, huh?
Mess?
Yeah, that kid they found.
Yakov Klausman?
That his name?
Hey, Emily, what do you say?
About what?
About the watch.
It's beautiful.
It's a shame. Should never have happened. Could never happen around us. Never. You know why? We take care of the people we're in business with.
Nobody fools around with us. Nobody. And we take care of our own. You follow what we're saying here?
I'm not sure.
We got our own security company, private. You pay once a month. We take care of everything. Nobody gets hurt. Everybody's safe. It's too late for the kid. But
Can we think about it?
A week. And we'll be back here in a week. Don't let it go no longer than that, because we don't want anybody else to get hurt.
if you come to us sooner, that little heave might still be walking around.
Murderers! 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 What the hell, people are
What's the matter with you?
asking for it.
How much you want for the watch?
$4,400.
Now, you can do better than that.
Whatever you think is fair.
Yeah?
Anthony and
Christopher Baldessari. They're out of Bay Ridge. They run a little book, a little payoff. Very fundamental scumbags.
You got it?
Every word on tape. They waxed the Klausman kid, now they're trying to sell protection.
We don't know that they waxed the Klausman kid.
Yet.
Well, with a little luck, we can get him on extortion.
Sounds good to me. How you want to play it?
We wait till they show again, and then when Leia hands over the money for the security system, we come down on them like Judgment Day. I need their jackets.
Way ahead of you.
Look at this. Rap sheet as long as Ocean Parkway.
Good.
Call Oliver. I'll catch you later.
Hey, Eden. Admit it. I'm an insanely great cop. I made those guys as soon as they hit the pavement. I pulled their sheets, right? You could do worse than me.
Here's a quarter. Call someone who cares.
The truth is, we deserve each other. No commitments, no romantic hassles, no illusions. Tell me I'm wrong.
Pop! Pop? Pop?
Hey! You look different. What is it?
How are you, Pop?
Oh, good. Real good. Taking it one day at a time. Come here, you. Still can't keep up with the old man, huh?
Hey, Pop, you know Nick?
I know what it is. I know what's different. Your clothes. That's what's different.
You like him?
What do I know?
You want to go have dinner? You want to go get something to eat, maybe?
Oh, I should have called first. I got my AA meeting in 10 minutes.
Right. Well, maybe after.
Oh, I'm meeting somebody after. So, what's new and exciting?
Nick got hurt.
Nick? How?
We were patting down some perps, and one of them stuck him with a blade.
Jesus. Yeah. Is he gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Thank God. You get the guy?
Yeah.
That's my little girl. You know, back in my day, cop gets hurt, they put him in some dump of a hospital.
Either gets better or he don't. You had to be tough. Nowadays, a cop gets a splinter. 6 o'clock news is flashing his picture on every channel. Mayor comes to visit, shake your hand. Police commissioners all over you handing you citations for bravery up the kazoo. And before you know it, you're swimming in dough because they're making a movie of the week about you. You kids, you got it made.
What would you do if I bought it, Pop?
What kind of a question is that?
If I died, what would you do?
You been drinking?
Can't you just answer the question? What would you do?
I don't know. I'd make sure you got a full ribbon funeral, departmental honors and all. The works.
That's what I thought.
What kind of craziness is this?
I don't know.
Are you okay? You can talk to me.
Git.
What's the matter? Two men jumped out of a car, and they just started hitting me.
We're here. Take her legs. Here. Come, quick. Come on, take her.
So I want a 24-hour patrol. I was on Oliver, listen, I don't need an argument on this, okay? I mean, like you said, we've got 27,000 cops in this city. I'm sure that you can find the 6 that I need.
And it kept starting.
Thank you.
And I stopped, and then they jumped out of the car and just started hitting me.
Did you see their faces?
No, it happened so fast. But the car.
What about it?
Well, once when Yakov and I were walking, there was a car, and I thought it was following us. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this may have been the same one.
Do you know what kind of a car?
I don't know about cars. It was black, I think.
Black. I wouldn't be surprised if it's one of the Baldessaris.
You think it's these men?
Could be.
So they are the serious scumbags?
Pico Webes verrät?
Manche Fester hat sich euch gelernt in neuem Englischen, Pisman.
Ich hab gesagt, etwas sehr schlecht.
Frag nicht.
Ai, weh.
The Rebbe saved me, you know.
Really?
I almost died. I treated my body like trash. I slept with men I didn't love. I took drugs. A little over a year ago, I was walking down the street. I think I was drunk or stoned. I actually don't remember. Suddenly, I looked up. And there he was. The kindest eyes I'd ever seen.
The Rebbe?
Yakov Glassman. He said to me, "You look lost." I said, "Yes, I am." He brought me here to see the Rebbe. I've been here ever since. Yakov. I miss him.
so?
The brothers Baldessari, what do you got?
They did business with the Klausman kid in a big way. They got receipts going back a year and a half, so you can see where he'd trust him enough to buzz him in. Car matches Mara's description. Oh, listen to this. The word I got is they get pulled in again. They're in deep shit with the old man. Let's take him in, Emily, huh? I'd love to have a private talk with those gorillas.
Okay. Meantime, get a court order, okay? I want to drop a tap on him.
Just needs your signature.
What do you want? A medal? Levine, listen. The next time I'm looking to get into something really stupid and degrading, I'll give you a call.
I'm counting on it.
Rebbe, do you have a moment?
What, Emily?
A few days ago, I said something pretty stupid to you.
You said every man is a thief.
Yeah, well, that wasn't the stupid part. The stupid part was about everything that I'd seen. And Leia told me where you were during the war, and compared to you, I haven't seen that much.
Emily, you and I, we have a great deal in common. Did you know that?
Don't insult yourself, Rebbe.
We both are on intimate terms with evil. And does things to your soul, doesn't it?
I wouldn't know about that.
You have a soul, Emily. I've seen it. Have a good Shabbos.
Shabbos.
Oh, God, oh, God.
שונו במצווסו וציוונו להפרש חל.
Let's mush that together before we eat it.
Good job. Good Shabbos. Good Shabbos.
Mikadash HaShabbos. Amen.
Hashem, God. So God's name will be sweet on your lips.
Leave it to Leia.
Pardon me. Do you, like white meat or talk me.
Wait.
Raboy sei, mit Gleus Simcha will ich bei dir sein, als mein Sinn Ariel ist mit Muzzle geworden, a Chosset.
What did he say?
He's announced Ariel's betrothal.
His what?
Ariel's getting married.
Mazel tov.
What are you doing out here?
Thinking.
I heard a noise. I didn't know what it was.
You've got a gun.
Yeah.
Have you ever used it?
Yes.
You've killed people.
I had to.
Of course. But how did it make you feel?
I don't know. You tell me.
The rabbis teach us that you're obligated to defend yourself. But they also teach us that when you kill one person, you annihilate an entire universe.
Thank you. What's this?
It's the Kabbalah. I like to keep it close to my heart.
Will you read something?
No, I don't think...
What?
You can't learn out of context. You need a lifetime of study.
Yeah, well, I don't have a lifetime. Let's do the Evelyn Wood version. You know, Evelyn Wood, just read.
Therefore, engage her in conversation that puts her heart and mind at ease. Speak words which arouse her to passion, union, love, desire, and...
And what?
Eroticism.
You little devil.
No, you don't understand.
Wait, no, so you don't do it through a sheet?
What are you talking about?
Never mind. Read more.
Hurry not to arouse passion until her mood is ready. Begin to love her. Let her...
What? What?
Let her vaginal secreting take place first.
Very mystical.
It's... The rabbis have a deeper intent here, which is that man and woman should be a holy union.
Okie dokie.
The Kabbalah is filled with erotic imagery. Most of it's theoretical.
Vaginal secreting. It's very theoretical. So, who's the lucky girl?
Her name is Shayna Singer.
Maybe I should meet her and check her out.
Check her out for what?
Well, you never know. She might be after your body instead of your mind.
Actually, she lives in France. Her father's a great Rebbe in Paris.
Nice girl, huh?
I'm told that she is.
You're told?
Well, we've never actually met. Face to face, that is. We've written letters, so talked on the phone.
Oh, yeah, well, that's different. Letters, phone.
You don't understand.
Did I say anything?
You don't have to. I read it in your eyes.
I love this. Your father, he knows what my soul looks like, and you read my eyes. Good night. You're actually gonna marry the first girl that your father tells you to?
She's not the first girl. I said no to all the others.
Well, what's so special about this one?
I believe she is my Basherte.
You what?
Basherte, it means destiny. Rabbis teach us...
Not the Kabbalah?
No, this is just normal stuff that everybody knows.
Everybody except me and the rest of the world.
It's very sad. Anyway, the rabbis teach us that when God created the universe, he also created every soul that would ever exist. And then he made a match between every female and every male soul. So this way, when you meet your soulmate, you say, she is my Basherte. Or in your case, you would say, he is my Bashert.
My Bashert.
It's very good.
Question.
Please.
How come people are always breaking up or getting divorced or they're stuck in lousy relationships?
It's very simple. They have not found their true Bashert. You see, everything is predestined. But we still have the freedom of choice. And often we make the wrong choice.
So you're pretty sure this Shayna is your destiny?
Yeah, I think. I hope. I pray.
What about love?
Love.
Yeah. Passion. Romance.
No. Tell me about love, Detective Eden.
I don't know, it's great, it's natural.
So where's your husband, your children?
I got a hot flash. You can have love without a husband and children. Good night, Ariel. What about sex?
Sex?
Yeah, sex.
Emily, I just read to you from the Kabbalah. Sex is sacred. It is a mitzvah, one of the positive commandments. Oh, I have a hot flash for you. Sex is nice.
Sex is nice. How would you know? I mean, outside of your little Jewish Kama Sutra.
You know, the rabbis teach us that a man or a woman who's not married is only half a person.
Ariel, you can have sex without being married.
You can. We can't.
A rule.
Yeah, a big rule.
Well, that's too bad.
Excuse me?
Well, you're missing a couple of life's greater moments.
Why are you so angry?
I am not angry.
If your lips, they get very tight when you're angry.
I
I've
am
noticed
not
that.
angry.
Your voice gets very strident.
Maybe I'm a little irritated. I don't know.
What, because I'm getting married? You should be happy for me.
Look, I don't care.
You put a lot of effort into not caring.
Because you're different, Ariel. You could have another life.
But I don't want another life. You know, the Kabbalah says that a man doesn't have to leave his house to find what he's looking for.
Yeah, well, the Kabbalah obviously never figured on me. I see through you. I see right through you. You look at me when the others turn away. You look at me and you talk to me. And this is totally... Good night.
Emily. Emily. I will be taking the Rebbe's place. Do you know what that means? I am the next Rebbe.
Is that what you want?
I want to be worthy. My father is a very great man.
Yeah, but is it what you want?
Ariel. Mein Seder, der kleine Rocco, pflegt sich missbeutet sein hinter den Sternen. Es hat ihm Karl gewähnt, zum Oberste.
Ja, Hebbe.
Ist ja eine Käfer.
What is it? Nothing. Go back to sleep.
Emily, not on Shabbos.
Is everything okay? Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry. Just think of me as your guard dog.
You know, you're my first non-Jewish friend.
I'm a shock, huh?
Yes. But I also think you're wonderful. You're like one of the women in the Torah, Devorah or Yael. They're great warriors.
Yeah, I'm a regular Joan of Arc.
Who?
Never mind. You're my first Hasidic friend. Come to think of it, you're my first female friend since the 3rd grade.
I can't believe that.
It's true.
Emily? Ariel is special.
He was an Eloi.
What?
Talmudic genius when he was just 6 years old. He is to Jewish learning what Mozart was to music. And that's not all. Ariel has a great soul. We've always known it. Ariel can look down at the sky. Emily? Mendel would like to know if you're interested in a shidduch.
I don't know, am I?
Don't you understand? He likes you. He thinks you're attractive, and he would like to meet you and maybe get married. I can't tell him who you are.
Leila, tell him whatever. And I'll be gone before you know it.
Emily is flattered, but
But what?
she's not ready.
Oh.
You know what I think, Mendel?
What?
I think Emily's making a big mistake. Emily.
Stay put.
So, what do you say? Come on, we don't want nobody else getting hurt, do we? Congratulations. You just bought yourself peace of mind.
Yeah? You guys just bought yourselves a cage. You're busted.
What?
Come on, put your paws on the counter.
Levine, call for backup.
We're gonna keep this just between us, right, guys? Nice and easy. Answer me.
We got a right to remain silent.
You know, somehow I knew you were gonna say that. Open your jacket. Turn around.
We can't get pulled in again.
What was that?
He said, what's the charge?
Extortion. Racketeering.
That was Yakov's. One of the 3 bags he had the night he was killed.
It's Levine. It's going down. I want backup.
And with a little luck, conspiracy to commit murder. The murder of Yakov Klausman. Let's go.
Emily! Get away! Halt!
Go. It's just my ankle. It's busted, I think. Go.
Levine!
What?
You are an insanely great cop!
God save me. We didn't kill that kid. We didn't kill nobody. We didn't kill that kid. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
What's new and exciting?
Case over?
Over.
Sit down,
Why?
please.
What?
You marry me?
No.
Will you live with me?
I can't.
All right, then I gotta ask you to stay away from me, because I know I can't stay away from you.
Nick, listen.
No. Please, I gotta know. What am I to you?
You're my partner.
Stop saying that. It's not enough anymore.
Nick, not now.
Oh, now. Since I got hurt, things just look all different to me. What we had was great, but I need more now.
I never lied to you.
Nope. Never lied to me.
I thought that we had an understanding.
No, you have an understanding. You made rules, you called the plays, and that was fine. I just wanted to be with you. It's just that...
Well, there's some things that I can't give, Nick.
Can or won't.
What's the difference? We're alone, breaking a big rule.
Yes, I know. You put something on, please?
If you don't like it, leave.
I like it, that's the problem. Who are they?
You gotta be kidding. You've never...
We don't watch television and go to the movie set. They're so magical.
Come here. See what you're missing?
I was worried about you. You left without saying goodbye.
My mother left my father without saying goodbye. You know why? She couldn't stand sleeping with a cop. She said it made him angry and that he took it out on her. You think that's what's gonna happen to me? Some guy telling me that I'm too angry, too hard. This is my life. It's pretty, isn't it?
My partner, he wants to change the rules on me. My father wants to give me an inspector's funeral. And I want you to kiss me.
I'm meeting her tonight.
Who?
My bride.
You know, when I'm with you, or with Leia, I'm not angry, Ariel. I'm not angry at all. From the very beginning, you made me feel soft on the inside.
Emily. I can't.
Can't, I won't.
There's no difference. I'm begging you. Emily.
Yeah.
The reason I had to see you, Baldassare said he didn't kill Yakov. Tony was dying. I don't believe he would lie. What if you were right from the very beginning? What if it is one of us, or someone pretending to be one of us?
What was it that you called me about?
Balshuva.
One who has returned. Like Mara? How did she know that there were 3 pouches? The only person who could have known had to be there. With Yakov. He buzzes her in. He opens the door. And he finds himself face to face with Mara. And whoever she's working with. It could have been anybody from her past.
When she was hurt, would she have done that to herself?
Easily. And then when the Baldassares came into the exchange, the pouch in Chris's coat, Mara planted it. They read about it in the newspaper. They read about the murder. And they tried to take advantage of the situation. Mara wanted me to take them out. With them dead, the case is closed.
I'll miss you, Mara.
I'll miss you too, Leia. You most of all. But I just can't stay here any longer. Too much has happened. Let me go get my coat.
Shalom Aleichem. Aleichem Shalom.
Oh, quelle maison. C'est joli, non? Ah, c'est très joli, ma chérie.
Phone Leia and warn her.
Wir gehen und jetzt gefunden, Ariel.
Ariel, you've never used a gun, have you?
No.
You hold it like this. You aim at the heart and you pull the trigger. Now, I want you to take this. It's my spare. She'll search me, not you. This is Eden. I need backup. Corner of Forest and Putnam. Mara, take it easy. It's okay. Mara. Mara. Listen to me. Please, just give it up.
No way.
Just take it easy. Come on, put the gun down. Can we make a deal?
Make me an offer.
I'll drop murder 1, settle for a deuce.
It's not good enough.
Think again, Mara. How are you gonna get out? You're gonna have to go through me. Come on, let's cut a deal.
Okie dokie. Turn around.
What are you gonna do now, Mara? Let Leia go. You can just walk out. I'm not gonna stop you. Do you really want to kill Leia? She's been your friend, your best friend all along.
I was acting, playing a role!
But Leia wasn't. I wasn't. Yakov certainly wasn't. None of us were. You have a chance to escape. Take it.
Aren't you gonna quote me from your precious Kabbalah?
The Kabbalah says that out of every evil action there can be found some measure of goodness. Please, Mara. Let her go.
Ariel, help me!
Mara!
Hours of observation, detective. You know that.
I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm all right.
I was worried about you.
Were you really?
Emily, I think of you as a daughter.
Emily? Thank you. Thank you for everything. We have to go now. They told us not to stay too long.
Rebbe. Ik wil zijn met je voor een minuut.
Alleen? Den Kalavat, heb je wetzinnig verstaan?
Je zou kunnen ze verstaan als ik alleen verstaan is.
Ariel, Kanoi, was is Emily zu dir?
bist mein Freund. Emily.
We're alone. You're breaking a rule again.
Kabbalah says the Kabbalah says Emily, I'm gonna miss you so much. Beg your pardon.
Are you all right?
I know what you must be thinking.
Do you?
I know how it looks. If you want to leave, I understand.
I will leave. But only if you want me to. God counts the tears of women. It's in the Kabbalah. It means that women understand the world better than men do. Therefore, they weep more often.
Hey, Levine.
Hey,
How's the leg?
it's no problem. It's good.
Good.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good.
How are you doing?
I'm all right.
Good.
So I got an idea. We could both use a little rest, a little relaxation. 2 weeks in Aruba. You come back a new woman, Emily.
I already am. The question is, did you come back a new man?
2 weeks with you, who knows? I might.
It's very sweet, Levine. No, thank you.
Why not?
I'm waiting for my bashert.
You what?
My bashert.
Oh, shared. What's that?
Ask your rabbi.